Welcome, here I've got WIKO View 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's stay on the settings from the right, so remember to not to be on the modes, but in the settings. And here we can see the button with shutter sound, so by just one tap we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we go back to the camera and when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. And of course, to turn on sound again, we have to tap to the right corner and to this button, so for now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.